Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we got another pickup for you of the Offspring Converse Community Member Pack. Before we get into the review, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. It gives you all the alerts for all our latest videos and reviews. With all that said, and I hope that you're pressing the subscribe button, let's get into the review. So we've got the high top version of the Offspring Converse Community Pack, and it comes in a similar box. It's a bit wider, obviously, to accommodate the high top. But before we get opening, I'll let you know what sizes we got. So we got a UK size 7.5, European 41, and again, like the low tops, they don't have the US, but I want to assume that it's the 8.5. Don't hold me to that. But we have the All-Star High 70s in the Offspring White Egret. Hope I said that right. Let's get open it, and here we go. There it is. That's really nice. It's really clean. Now, before we start the review, I just want to mention that I do know the influence of this model is based off an Air Jordan 1, the high leather. It's very reminiscent in regards of the little tones here, the kind of leather, and the overall color, I mean. So starting with the outsole, we have a typical Converse rubber outsole. This is the same color as the low version, where it's like a bone off-white color. As I mentioned, typical Converse patterning here. Along the midsole, we have the little prints of the Offspring HQ community. Going further along the upper here, it's all white tumbled leather, and you have the overlays like where the laces are, and at the heel where it's a similar color of the lows, like that kind of color gray. You have the Offspring little logo on the top of the lace holes there, just the outline. And what's really cool about this Converse patch, or let's just say imprint here, is that this is laser cut. So the whole star here is cut by laser, and it's embossed saying Converse All-Star. So you've got a different kind of patchwork where the iconic badge should be. Go along to the toe box, so you obviously got a nice sturdy toe box area that you can get in all Chuck Taylor's 70s. And just want to mention about that little lightning bolt. So that's the little like community symbol that Offspring have developed, and that you can find that in the other pair of the Converses that we've done a review on, like the black pair with the patches that you can see, and it has a similar lacing as well. So both the lows, the grey lows, and these white high tops, they all have these Offspring community laces where it has the Converse logo and the Offspring lightning bolt. It does come in another white pair of laces, so you can mix and match, up to you, it's your choice. Now, in regards to the overall shoe, classic, if I didn't know any better, it does remind me of that Jordan because of the hits of grey, like the hits of white, obviously. And just before I sign out, similar to all Offspring Converses, you'll have the two different patches on the heel. So on the right you'll have a normal Converse patch, and on the left, sorry, get my left and right mixed up, on your left you'll have the Converse All-Star Community Member. And like the grey ones, inside the tongue you have the Chuck Taylor athletic shoes, like little label where you scribble your name, and the only difference is Normal Chuck 70s, they'll say athlete's name. This one has member's name, just to put further emphasis on the Offspring community. Obviously this was made by members of the Offspring community, and they're really like close-knit sneaker, I wouldn't say cult, but they are a community. They look out for each other, they're always together on the drops. I do see them when I go pick up like a pair of my winnings. I won like some Jordans from there, and I see the same guys, so I guess that's what they mean by the community. But overall, this is a really nice looking sneaker, classic to the bone, because it's Converse's. We love Converse's here at Oneupreviewz. I keep saying it, I'll say it again. Converse, you know, throw us some shoes our way. We're trying to help you guys, and this is obviously not like a paid advert from Converse. We just love Converse so much. With that said, I can't wait to try these on and show it to you guys how clean these are looking. So here we go, let's do it. Guys, this is probably the first time that we've reviewed anything in legit 7.5 when it comes to Converses. I think I've mentioned in past videos, always get your true size, is because I'm not able to get a 7.5 UK in the past purchases that we've got for Converses. This is a great fit, so do go true to size when it comes to this. The midsole, the insole unit of Chuck 70s are the best. Do not, and I repeat, do not get the normal Chuck Taylor highs that you can get on the market. Go for the 70s. It's a bit more pricey, but I tell you, it's well worth the comfort. With that said, Offspring have done a great collab. The design is really clean, and all the little details, they're out on show. This is a great one to rock out. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Till next time, peace.